Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 14, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Ninth row, we have 1, 2, and 3. The three numbers can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade. Three numbers are remaining 4, 5, 6. Column B, column C, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9. 8th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. It will come in one of the cells. Will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Column H, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D and 4th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 2nd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4, 5. 1st grade, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Column D and 6th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, and 7th row and 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 7. Column E, column G, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade. Then column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 9. Third grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh grade, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come here in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Seventh row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Ninth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Sixth row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column E, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column G, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column E, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fifth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Second row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.